I'm so excited to try this new pumpkin spice overnight oats because I just got
Pumpkin week continues, y'all.
Pumpkin month.
Pumpkin month, actually.
I just got this pumpkin spice protein powder from Just Ingredients that I'm loving. So I wanted to for sure make an overnight oats in it because I love doing overnight oats. It's like make it the day before.
Although now I'm kind of impatient. I mean, it's nice because, we just filmed this content.
And we've been wanting to try it.
Now it's 24 hours later.
I'm excited.
Cheers.
Yes.
First of all.
Moment of truth.
It's pretty good, actually.
Pumpkin-y, I love it.
Very pumpkin-y. If you like pumpkin, you like this.
I like the pumpkins. If you're into the pumpkins.
Well, we're into pumpkins.
We're filling
it's pumpkin month, right?
Yeah.
Previously on this channel, Laura showed you how to make her homemade pumpkin puree.
Yes, which I did throw the homemade stuff into here. Highly recommend. It's so good to have fresh pumpkin puree.
Should we get into this recipe? Teach you guys how to make this?
Yeah.
All right, so what's in this, Lars?
What I do is I take 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a pinch of cinnamon, half a scoop of the Just Ingredients pumpkin spice protein powder, 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of real maple syrup, and 1/3 of a cup of any kind of nut milk. And then you stir it all together. And then add in your chocolate chips.
So would you recommend adding the chocolate chips to let them set in it, or maybe after? What do you think?
So I kind of wondered how it would go, but I think they're great added in. I added these in yesterday, and they still have that crunch to them. It's not like they got soft or anything.
Right, but they're soft enough. They're not super hard. I kind of like adding them in.
Yeah, and then you're just done. You throw it all together, mix it together, put a lid on it, throw it in the fridge overnight, and you're set.
This is tasty, pumpkin spice, and everything nice. I had to Laura had been waiting for this. I was busy this morning, and she's been let's film this so I can eat this. But finally got around to it. Well past snack time.
Yep.